To make your own sushi, first, rinse 2 cups, 400 grams of rice, and add it to a saucepan filled with enough water to submerge the rice. Then, bring the water to a boil and cook the rice for 10 minutes. Strain the rice and set it aside. Next, combine 4 tablespoons, 60 milliliters of rice vinegar, a 1/4 cup, 25 grams of sugar, and 1 tablespoon, 6 grams of salt in a large bowl. Add the rice to the mixture and toss everything together by hand. Let the rice soak in the mixture while you prepare your fillings. Tuna, yellowtail, salmon, mackerel, halibut, and eel are popular fishes for sushi, and cucumber, carrot, avocado, bell pepper, and mushroom all make great vegetable fillings. You can also use sesame seeds, wasabi, imitation crab, and spicy mayo to give your sushi even more flavor. Chop the vegetables into thin, vertical slices that are roughly 3 inches, 7.5 centimeters long. Cut the fish into pieces that are 1/2 inch, 1.25 centimeters wide, and 3 inches, 7.5 centimeters long. Lay a bamboo mat out flat and place a sheet of dried seaweed on top of it. Spread an even layer of rice over the seaweed, and arrange the fish and vegetables in a line along the center of the mat. Then, roll the bottom of the mat up over your fillings and tuck the edge underneath them. Roll the mat again until 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters remains. Press down gently along the rolled up mat to compress the ingredients. Finally, unroll the mat and use a knife to cut your sushi roll into 5 to 6 individual pieces.